Hello, how are you? So in this video, I will discuss what is the best-selling color for print on demand, especially for t-shirts. Like merch, any merch, hoodies, long sleeves, top tank. So this is Ryan Hogue. It's a very popular print on demand. He's teaching how to sell print on demand, especially for merch by Amazon, Redbubble, and TeePublic. So he started, I think, his journey around 2017. So I got to know this guy around 2019 when I'm trying to learn print on demand. So the good thing about him is he's sharing his profit in his own website month by month. And you will notice here, for example, this latest December, you will see he's earning in print on demand. How much he's earning? Like here, merch. So for that month, he earned $9,800. This merch by Amazon. So the good thing about this data, here is important for me. You will see his bestseller is t-shirt, 81%, total sales 2,670 for that month, December 2021. So you get sales on hoodie, premium t-shirt, pillow, jacket, tote bag, but focus here t-shirt for Amazon. And you will notice these colors. This is the black color. You see 2,600 and you have more than 50% of the sales coming from black colors. The second is the white, but you see the difference very low here. We cannot read, but obviously it's 3 digits only. But here, this is navy colors. So this is the top seller color for here, for his account. If you even check this from previous years, you will see always the top color is black and t-shirt. So black t-shirt is the most sellable item in for t-shirt in Amazon. That's why I focus more colors. So here's another guy is RJ Martinez. I'm always viewing. He's same to Ryan Hogue. So he also have monthly income report for merch by Amazon. So he's sharing also. So this one, he got 59,000 sales, 91% coming from t-shirt, and you will see here, I think it's around 28,000. So more than, so half of this sales is coming from this one. It's navy, 5,000, but this black color is 28. It's 28,000. See, so that is why I'm recommending to focus. If you're selling merch by Amazon or any print on demand, focus for black t-shirt designs because it's the most sellable item in Amazon, which is the #1 marketplace globally. Okay, this is what I'm searching, the actual profit from actual sellers in merch by Amazon. So even my clients, I have clients with over 150,000. I think maybe he is now around 170,000 designs uploaded in Amazon. I have other clients who have 70,000 and 40,000 designs uploaded here already in Amazon. And they're also asking me always to create black designs, black t-shirt designs, because this is the reason. The money is in the black t-shirt designs. Okay? Bye-bye.